As a gay Igbo man, one of the weirdest advice I have been given to is that I should get married to a woman, leave her in Nigeria, and then be in the UK. The way this advice was given to me was either I rent a place, buy a place, or build a house. Get married to this young lady who did not do anything wrong whatsoever to me, leave her somewhere, and then go and sleep with men. The person that was giving this advice to me is someone that thinks they mean well. And I was like, why are you saying something like this to me? I then asked this individual, would you be happy for me to get married to your daughter, leave them in Nigeria, go to the UK, and then sleep with men? He was like, no. This whole advice is based on the fact that he said to me, this is not what we do in our culture. Igbo people, African people, we have to get married, have children, create a family. This same person that was advising me this, mind you, is someone that is a gay man. Not a bisexual, he's a gay man that got married to a woman, had children with her, and still sleep with men. So you want me to do to somebody else what you did to your wife, but you don't want me to do it to your daughter. Up until today, this said individual is still chasing men around. I am not going to do this to any woman. I rather receive insults from people that are good for nothing, that are crusty and dusty, that will tell me that I'm going to go to hell, than get married to a woman and pretend that I'm a straight man for society to love me. I say to them, you know that you can have children as a gay man without getting married to a woman. We are in the modern times. It is easy to do. Some of these women who are actually always being homophobic towards me, I look at them and I always say to myself, I pray to my ancestors that you never get married to a gay man that will sleep with men behind your backs, because this is something that I don't wish for you. I can understand some gay men who are from Africa, who are black men, who get married to women. I can understand this. I can empathize. I understand the reason why it is done. A lot of people don't have the courage to live their lives openly, because damn, if you get married to a woman and the woman happens to find out that you're gay, the woman will be like, oh, you are a homosexual, you got married to me to deceive me. Then if you are like me and you decided to be out and you're living your life, look at you, you're going to go to hell, your backside is leaking, repent, find Jesus. You never win. The only win for someone like me is the fact that I am okay with myself, I'm at peace with myself, I know that I'm not a sinner. I am never ever going to get married to any woman. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful time. I will see you in the next one.